If you're like me, I'm quite sure that your Gmail box will be filled with tens of thousands of emails, which you will never probably end up reading. Most of it being junk emails, being discounts, and things like that. But in this process, typically what ends up happening is important emails get lost. And this is a problem. So in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you how you can create labels and automatic filters in your Gmail so that you don't miss important emails which you deem worthy. Let's get started. The first thing, of course, is when you log into Gmail, you have these tabs with Gmail created: primary, social, promotional, updates, and forums. And I think these tags are pretty good. Gmail has done a pretty good job. They end up categorizing most of my information quite well. But there will be certain emails which end up going to the wrong label or to the wrong tab. In such scenarios, one specific use case for me is, for example, rescue time. It's a very specific software which I use to, track my own time on where I'm spending my time and where I'm wasting it, or if that's the right way of thinking about it. And I don't want to miss this email no matter what. I don't want it to go to spam. I don't want it to go to promotion. I want it to go to my specific label, which I define, which I can check out. Now, the way labels work in Gmail is how you have inbox, starred, important, sent, etc. You have these additional labels which you can create. I, for example, have created a label for Paytm so that I don't miss any transaction emails, or PhonePe as well, again, to not miss any transactions. Similarly, support@rescuetime.com. This particular company sends me daily, weekly updates on how I'm using my time. And for this, if I have to create a label where it automatically always goes there and doesn't go into any other label, I click on these three dots on the top right. I click on filter messages like this. It opens up a filter like this. And then I click on the create filter button. The moment I do that, I click on apply the label. And I click on new label and I will name it as rescue time. And I can nest it under a different label. I don't want to do that over here. And I click on create and I click on create filter again. Now, anytime a new email which comes in, or if I want to check existing emails, I just click on the rescue time label and automatically all the emails will be forwarded here. Now, say for example, you have a lot of old emails for which you want to run this filter by and make sure it's tagged in that particular label. Just click on also apply filter to matching conversations and click on update filter or create filter. And then when I open that particular filter, of course, the new email will end up coming here, but all the old emails which match the same criteria which I created will also end up coming here. Now, what all criteria can you end up working with? You can create different from addresses, to addresses, if the subject line contains some specific key phrases, if it has an attachment, if it doesn't have an attachment, if it is within a day, and all these various parameters you can use to create some really interesting filters. Not just that, you can also take multiple actions on emails which match that specific criteria. For instance, if you have a forwarding email for, say, your accountant and you want to quickly just send him the emails of whatever you're creating, or if you have a particular customer whose email is really important, it has to be marked as important the moment it comes. So using these simple tools, you can clean up your Gmail box, and trust me, you will thank me for it later. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more content.